Let's discuss who is Muttavali in Muslim law. Muttavali is a person appointed by a competent authority for what? For managing and administering the Waqf. Thus, a Muttavali is more like a manager than a trustee, and he is not the owner of the property, and also he cannot sell the property. Again, let's see who can be appointed as a Muttavali. So, who can be appointed as a Muttavali? Any person who is of sound mind. Person should be of sound mind and attain the age of majority. That means minors cannot be a Muttavali. And capable of performing the functions to be discharged under a particular Waqf. And again, any person, whether male or female, Muslim or non-Muslim, can be appointed as a Muttavali. Now, let's look what are the powers and duties of a Muttavali. First one is to take all reasonable actions in good faith, to protect the interest of the Waqf, to discharge all the public dues and carry out all the necessary acts, to appoint his successor on deathbed in case the founder and executor of the Waqf are dead. The other one is to carry out the directions of the board in accordance with the Waqf Act and to furnish such returns and supply informations which is needed by the board in accordance with the Waqf Act. These are the powers and duties of a Muttawali. A Muttawali may be removed from his office by the Waqf board if he convicted for an offense, insolvency, unsound mind, or become addicted to drinking liquor or taking narcotic drugs, etc. Here it states that a Muttavali cannot be removed from his office without held an inquiry into the matter. That means there must be an inquiry of the matter in a prescribed manner, and the decision has been taken by a majority of not less than 2/3 of the members of the board. This is all about Muttavali.